Are you on a quest to lose weight but find it challenging to stay on track with your diet? If you've tried various methods without success, you might want to explore the wonderful world of juicing. Juicing not only provides your body with essential vitamins and minerals but can also help curb cravings and support your weight loss goals. In this article, we'll delve into 3 of the best juices for weight loss, complete with easy recipes that you can integrate into your daily routine. Green Detox Juice. Why it works. Green juices are a fantastic way to nourish your body with nutrients while helping you feel full and satisfied. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, this juice helps cleanse your system and boosts your metabolism. Ingredients: 1 cup kale leaves, 1 medium cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 lemon, juiced, 1-inch piece of ginger, and 1 cup water. This vibrant juice is not only refreshing but also provides a powerful detoxifying effect. The combination of kale and apple creates a delightful balance of flavors, while ginger adds a spicy twist that can help rev up your metabolism. Citrus Metabolism Booster Juice. Why it works. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C and hydration, both of which can help support weight loss. The addition of cayenne pepper not only enhances flavor but also boosts thermogenesis, encouraging your body to burn more calories. Ingredients: 2 oranges peeled, 1 grapefruit peeled, half a lemon juiced, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon honey optional, and ice cubes optional. Beetroot and berry slimming juice. Why it works. Beets are an incredible source of fiber and essential nutrients, making them a great addition to any weight loss plan. They help improve circulation and detoxify the body, while the antioxidants in berries support overall health and can aid in fat loss. The combination of these ingredients creates a delicious juice that is both nutritious and satisfying. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped, 1 cup mixed berries including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds optional for added fiber, 1 cup coconut water for hydration, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This beetroot and berry slimming juice is not only delicious but also makes for a perfect post-workout recovery drink. The fiber from the chia seeds and berries will help keep you feeling full, while the natural sugars from the fruits provide a quick energy boost. Tips for incorporating juices into your weight loss journey. Start your day right. Consider having a glass of juice in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and energize your day. This can replace a high-calorie breakfast or snack. Hydrate wisely. Juices can be hydrating, especially when made with ingredients like cucumber and coconut water. Keep in mind that while fruit juices are nutritious, they can also be high in sugar. Balance them with vegetable juices to keep sugar levels in check. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to these juices. If you find certain ingredients cause digestive discomfort, feel free to adjust the recipes to suit your needs. Experiment with ingredients. Feel free to get creative with your juices. Incorporate seasonal fruits and vegetables, herbs like mint or basil, and even spices like turmeric or cinnamon to enhance flavor and nutritional value. The benefits of juicing for weight loss. Juicing can be a powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal for several reasons. Nutrient density. Juices made from fresh fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while remaining low in calories. This nutrient density can help you feel nourished without over-consuming calories. Detoxification. Many of the ingredients used in weight loss juices, such as beets, cucumbers, and leafy greens, have detoxifying properties that can help cleanse the body. A well-functioning liver and digestive system can enhance your weight loss efforts. Increased hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss, and juices can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Proper hydration helps manage hunger and supports metabolic processes. Digestive health. The fiber in many fruits and vegetables can promote healthy digestion, which is vital for effective weight loss. A healthy gut can also improve nutrient absorption and enhance overall well-being. Weight loss is a gradual process, and making sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle is more important than quick fixes. With the right mindset and these nutritious juices in your corner, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and wellness goals. Cheers to your health.